Welcome to another episode of That Crazy Triangle Guy. Apologize, I'm out walking around, so it might be a little bit windy. What we're looking at before we get started today, we're looking at my Alto Ira sign-in page. You enter your email address, you enter your password, you click login, and then you can do the two-factor authentication if you want or not, whatever you want to do. And there you have it. And I have an account here with Alto Ira, not any other Ira, because I have had no problems with this company whatsoever. It was very easy. They use Coinbase for their custody and for trading, and you can dabble in any coins that are on the Coinbase platform. There's no maintenance fees. You can do other things. They're a full IRA, whatever. This is a crypto IRA, and for me, I don't know your situation. It's it's a Roth IRA. You have a Roth IRA, which is tax-free because the money that goes into it was already taxed, and so then you don't ever have to pay taxes on that. But I am not an accountant or financial advisor, and that is with the current laws, and who knows if Congress is going to decide to change those laws or whatever at some point in time. So that is that. And so I've been contributing to this for the past 3 years. And what you can do still until April 15th, you can still contribute for last year. And the limit is $7,000 to $8,000, something like that, depending on your how old you are. So because I'm an ancient dude, I can now, let's see, this year I already contributed for 2024, $8,500. They just upped it, I believe, is how much I put in. I don't remember exactly. So 3 years, it's gotten up to a pretty good chunk of change that I am able to trade tax-free. And you should know how valuable that is in this space. When you're making big bucks, and how you can compound your money by doing it that way and not having to worry about the tax implications for all your trades and stuff like that. So that's that. Now, what I did notice today is this. I just looked at CME futures, and that's what we're looking at right now on the hourly time frame. When CME, and it's been puzzling me this whole week why CME futures is trading very, very close to spot, like about $100, sometimes less than $100 premium to spot. And that's not usually the case when we're bullish. When we're bullish, it's like $700, $400, $700. Sometimes if we're really bullish, it's like $1,000 premium to spot. And so it's been so close, and I'm like, what the hell is going on here? It just doesn't make any sense. And I think people are playing games, and they're using the different markets to manipulate the price. And first of all, I don't really understand futures contracts and all that other stuff. It's just something like, who says that? Crypto Casey says, you can read a book about riding a bike, and I can tell you all about riding a bike, but until you get out and get on that bike, you don't really understand what's going on. So that's how I am with this stuff. I mean, I understand, but I really don't understand exactly what happens when you buy this or sell this or do whatever, and how it all works. So, but I believe that somehow they're using all these different markets and hedging and stuff like that to work out the best prices for themselves to accumulate. Now, here today, all of a sudden, well, we've been trading this whole week at like, even like the week before, I noticed that we were at a discount to futures was trading at a CME futures was trading at a discount to spot when we were in that downward bull flag channel. And now, and then after that, it was like $100 or, maybe a little bit more. I noticed the past day or so it was like up to 140s at points. And when futures opened today, look at this big jump on this candle. It went up from 69,850 all the way up to 790 or 80, whatever. It went up like $1,000, almost $1,000. And the price didn't go up $1,000 between 2 and 3 o'clock in California time, when the market takes the CME futures market takes its break. That didn't happen. So now, when you go to here, look at that. The futures is the one with the exclamation point after it. And look at it, how it's trading a $780 premium to spot now. So something is definitely going on here. And maybe, like James mentioned earlier that options are expiring, I think on Friday or something. Maybe that has something to do with it. I don't know. See, I don't know how all that stuff works. But yeah, so if they've been trying to hold the market down as long as they can, and now all of a sudden are having to buy, I don't know. I'd have to sit down with a pen and paper and someone to explain all this to me and see how it, show me how when you do this, it affects this market this way and yada, yada, yada. Okay, so just wanted to point that out. So seeing this now, I am extremely bullish now. And I do believe that we are about, well, yeah, look at, we're already up at 70,246. Let's look at the daily candle. The daily candle was forming like a little spinning top thingy. And, well, look at this daily candle now. See, now it's coming up and forming a more, it even had a red body down here earlier today. It's forming a spinning top with a long wick on the top. And now this body is coming up here, and we got about another hour to go. So, just wanted to share that with you. And let's look and see how we're doing. The other thing I did want to mention, let's go to an hourly because we are trading outside our channel here. Guys, come here. So, as you can see here, we did come outside that channel. Remember I was talking about 3 different channels and which one we're going to choose. So we'll just have to wait and see what happens here. We did come out, as you can see, before the center line of this channel and the bottom of this channel crossed. And so we'll have to see if we come back up in there, or more probably trade along either the center line of this green channel here or just underneath this channel. I don't know. Just see what happens, but we shall do something like that, and maybe then head up to our little question mark, maybe a little bit over here. Possibly we come up there, but I may have been a little bit too early on that. So, all right, things are looking good. I'm really eager and excited about the next few weeks here. Like, subscribe, and see you next time, and go check out Alto Ira.